Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a sweet espresso. That's something that I really enjoy. You could have it as a dessert. It's called Affogato, and this time I'm going to use Kit Kat ice cream. That's my favorite. So Kit Kat ice cream plus espresso. And as you know, Affogato is very famous, and if you love coffee, that's something you are going to enjoy as a dessert. Now, if you have visitors, you could serve this as a dessert if you don't have anything at home, or if you didn't buy anything. This is a quick and easy way. If you have the espresso beans and Kit Kat or any ice cream, you could make Affogato, and all those coffee lovers are going to enjoy this drink, trust me. So let's see how to make this Kit Kat coffee. So I got 2 dessert cups, I would say, and now I have this Kit Kat ice cream. Okay, so let's take a scoop out of it. So hopefully you can see. I won't take a big scoop, but a smaller one. This should be fine. That looks good. And I'll take another scoop for the other cup. Okay, that looks lovely. And now it's time to make espresso. And let's take 17 and a half grams of beans. I'm using Lavazza Deck, which is the decaffeinated coffee from Lavazza, which is really tasty. That should be good. Okay, exactly 17 and a half. So let's use that. So I'll use the same cup for dosing. Looks nice and fresh. Let's keep it here. Now my portafilter is nice and warm, so let's use this. A bit of water vapor, which I'll wipe it off. Okay, that's good. Now I'll use this tool just to be sure it's distributed properly. This is to avoid channeling. So I like to do this before I use the distributor tool. Now that looks good. So I'll use this side to distribute it well. Just 3 spins. And I'll use the other side to tamp. That should be good. Make sure all the sides are equally tamped. And polish it. Okay. Now it's time to pull a shot. And my ice cream is melting already, so let me be quick. So I'll place the cup right below here, below the spout, and let's begin the extraction. So I hope this is a better angle to view. So let me begin the extraction. Double cup. The pressure looks good at 1 o'clock. Perfect. Now let's have a close-up. So here's your Kit Kat espresso or Kit Kat coffee. This is a lovely dessert that you can serve to your guest if you have visitors. This is an easy dessert to make. This is also called Affogato. That means a scoop of ice cream will be floating on top of your espresso. That's what we are trying to achieve here. And here's the lump of ice cream floating. And every scoop I take, it should have a different taste. And as the ice cream melts, it should give out different flavors. So let's use this. And today I'll use my bottomless portafilter. I didn't use it for a while, so it's time to use it. So I'm using the Breville's single wall basket, double cup size, and we'll use this. I'll dose it into the same cup. And I'm going to gently level this. Now I can use this distributor tool. Three spins should do. And now I can tamp it using the other side. Should be good. Perfect. Now let's pull a shot. Make sure you lock it properly. This is very tasty. So I got the scoop. Okay, my cup is not too large, so I'll take a smaller scoop. That should be fine, I think. Okay, that looks lovely. So I just made the affogato using the double espresso shot. It looks good. For some reason, the extraction that I recorded did not record properly, so I lost that file somehow. Amazing. Seems like my phone memory is full. That could be the reason. It was showing its recording, but I didn't get it. Anyway, that's how it looks. The extraction looks good. Okay, the ice cream just melted because there's more espresso in this one. So this can be consumed as a drink, a sweet drink. So I hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you do, please hit that like button and please consider subscribing to my channel if you are new. I would be posting more videos on making different types of coffee and how to use Breville Barista Express and other features and accessories. So stay tuned guys, see you on the next video, and bye for now.